1 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/2 tablespoon of salt. A cup of white sugar. Add a cup of ube, 3 whole eggs, and 6 tablespoons of butter. You could either put melted butter or room temperature butter. Add about 1 cup of water. Mix, mix, mix. Remember not to overmix your batter in order for it not to harden. The ube that I place here is the real ube, not in the bottle, or it's not also even ube halaya. Somebody in Busay, Cebu City, greetings to Ate Ruby, she gave me the ube and I just boiled it. I boiled it just like cooking kamote. You can either use kamote or ube in this dish. Some people, they also use banana. And I would like also to greet Ate Glenda Yulin Abantao for giving me tips on how to cook ube. So this is how it would look like now. This is already mixed properly, so that you have the idea on how it would look. And if it's really difficult for you to find the real ube, you can either use the ones in the jar. That could be a good substitute. And since my ube is really violet in color, I don't really need any violet color. I have extra violet color here. I wanted to use it, but I guess, or I think the color here of my ube really suits my taste. So if your ube is not really that violet, you can either use the flavoring or the color. But me, I am really very satisfied with it. So now you take 2 spoons, okay, scoop 1, and then all you have to do is do this to your spoons together so that you could get a good form. Right. So that's how it is. See the bit of ube inside our buñuelos. I'm really very lucky because I was able to get a very violet ube, violet color. So no coloring added. But if your ube is not really that violet, you can add coloring if you want to. And there are also ubes which are white in color. You can use that. It really depends on your preferences. And if you want to use kamote as what I said rather, you can use kamote. And banana, you can use banana too. So this is ready now. Let's take it off from the pan. Shake the excess oil. So let's add in 3 tablespoons of white sugar on our paper bag. So add your buñuelos in the paper bag with white sugar.